Do you want your wax seal to stand out? Well, today I'll be showing you how to create this unique wax seal. Now, in this wax seal reveal, there are 4 tips that I will give you to allow you to create this smooth and seamless seal. So let's get crafting. Make sure you stay to the very end of the video because I'll be uncovering the tips and tools you'll need to create this perfect wax seal. Firstly, the type of wax seal stamp will determine the success of how well this wax seal will turn out. You don't want to choose any wax seal stamp that do not have solid or simple images. For example, these have text and images that are too detailed. If you see this flower, the stems are too narrow and will not come out in that two-toned wax seal. Individual letters are not a good candidate for this technique either. Here are examples of wax seal stamps you'll want to look for if you want to create a two-toned effect. Now, I used this dragonfly in another video and it did not turn out as well as I would liked it to have. I'll show you how to get a better fit and a smoother appearance than this one that you see here. Now, I love the traditional pour, but if you want to know how to make this perfectly rounded wax seal, then stay till the end where I will link the next video that will show you how to do this. Now, some wax seal experts will say to pour the wax seal just over the image like this to prevent waste. But I don't think you can ever waste wax. Honestly, you can always reuse and remelt the wax, so I would not recommend this technique at all. One tip I want to share with you is to get a smooth and unified look. You want to make sure that when you stamp, you push down on the wax firmly with the goal of producing the thinnest wax seal you can make. And then once that seal has dried, then you cut the image from that seal. Now, another tip I want to talk to you about is the actual melting of the wax. It's very important that you do not overheat the wax. If you get bubbles, if the wax is overheated, 2 things will happen. 1, the wax will actually darken, so you won't get a very nice color. 2, you'll get lots of bubbles in your product. So make sure that you don't overheat the wax. Now, if you do overheat it, just remove it off of the heat and then stir it a bit to get the bubbles out and just to cool it slightly before pouring it out. And you'll know when it's okay to pour it because there will not be any bubbles when you're mixing it. Then while you're waiting for the base wax to melt, which in this case is the black wax, place the wax image back into the wax seal stamp like this. Now push down just enough to get the wax to hold onto the wax seal. Then what you do is you stamp as usual. Make sure that the wax actually cools before removing the wax seal stamp to ensure that the 2 colors have melted together. Isn't this beautiful? It's such a beautiful wax seal. If you found this video helpful, please stamp the like button so it can spread to the rest of our crafting community. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Take care. I hope you enjoyed this and we'll see you soon. Bye.